Welcome back to the channel, friends. It's Sunday night. It's 5:45 and it's still light out, and a skunk must have just passed through because it smells absolutely abhorrent. So I just walked the yard real quick. We got some vole damage again. It's not, I wouldn't even say it's damage. I'm just seeing, hey, keep it down, I'm trying to YouTubes, bastards. I would just say that it's evidence. There's trails, and for some of you that followed along last year, they were coming out of my neighbor's air conditioner from underneath it, and I didn't start to see any real brown spots until things dried out and they really made a lot of runs. But let me show you what I got. So there's some lines there, and there's some lines there. This is a very well defined one. Obviously my lawn's much healthier than that one, but it's all over this area. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. Simple. The old school Victor traps, the plastic ones, little crunchy peanut butter on them. You gotta try and find where they're going, which looks like it's under there, but actually this might be the new run. So we're gonna just set that right there, and we're gonna set this one right here, just to try and catch them while they're on the move. So that's a simple, I mean, you can see what a healthy turf stand looks like. I mean, there's lines, you can see some of the lines, but you figure within a month, March 27th, the whole in like a lion, out like a lamb thing, we're going to start seeing soil temps starting to rise. We're going to be checking our soil temps regularly. Temps should be warming more consistently, and we're going to be getting into the growing season. It'll be go time, if you will, and we're going to get ready to start throwing things down in the yard. So right now you want to be ahead of the game. If you need a fertilizer spreader, order one online or go out and buy one. If you know you need to get your mower serviced, take it in, get it done before the places really fill up, because they're going to get super busy pretty soon before you know it. And then order whatever fertilizer you need. For me, I'm going to get everything from yardmastery.com again. Shout out to Alan Hain, the lawn care nut. We're going to get our stuff from him again this year, because his stuff is the reason why my lawn is so green behind me. So just start getting your ducks in a row. Get everything ready that you need. If you need to, if you had something break at the end of the year, a weed whacker or something like that, fix it, buy it, take it in somewhere to get it fixed. Just get yourself ready, because it may be a little chilly out today, but the days are getting longer. You're going to start getting more sunlight. That's going to start triggering grass to want to wake up. Once those soil temperatures climb, boom, they're going to be ready to go. Excuse me. So, excuse me again. Just get things ready for the growing season and start coming up with your plan of attack, so to speak. So I'll keep you updated on the voles, and just start remembering that we're closer than you think to go time. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Hope I didn't bore you too much. And please subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. We're trying to get the subscriber count to climb. We did really good. Hit that like button. Comment, whatever. But most importantly, do something in the lawn, even if it's wrong. And we'll see you.